This is a shooting star, and as you can probably hear, and I'm gonna have to step back a little bit because that wind's gonna blow. We're getting a little bit of rain, but you can hear the sirens going off here now, and I've got my camera pointed across the street, so I'm not going to stay on here very long, but it is still extremely windy here. There is a tornado warning here, and anyway, I'll keep all of you updated on this. I don't know. Hopefully it won't be as bad as it sounds, but you just never know. When tornado season gets here, you just have to expect the unexpected. And that's about all I can say for that. Anyway, I'll keep this one rather short and sweet, and go back inside here and get under some cover. And anyway, take care everybody and be safe. And if you're in the path of this line of severe weather, take cover. This is Shooting Star.